When do you need to replace your windows? Have you been considering replacing your windows but not sure if it's necessary? In this video, we'll go over 5 signs that it's time to change your old windows for new ones. 1. There's a draft. If your energy bills have been increasing or if your home is getting colder than usual, then there could be a draft. An easy way to find out is to hold a candle around your window, and if the flame flickers, it means there's a draft. This can be caused by a broken windowsill, or that your windows are simply not energy efficient enough in the first place, which can often be the case with single glazing. Double glazed windows could be a great replacement thanks to the insulating effects they have. 2. It's difficult to open and close your windows. If your windows are difficult to open and close, it's another sign that you'll need to replace them. This can happen if they weren't installed properly in the first place, or if they've become misaligned over time. Because double and triple glazed windows are quite heavy, this can happen. 3. Your windows are physically damaged. The third and perhaps most obvious sign is if you see physical damage. If you can see mold buildup, then it's time to replace them. This is common for wooden windows, which is why a lot of homeowners opt to use uPVC frames instead. Mold buildup usually means there's a break in the seal somewhere and that water is seeping into the wood. Cracks in the glass panes or frames are other types of damage that will reduce your home's energy efficiency. 4. There's condensation between the glass panels. Not all condensation is cause for alarm, but if you have double or triple glazed windows and you see condensation build up between the glass panes, it means there's a broken seal and you need to get that taken care of. 5. You notice an increase in noise. Finally, if you have noticed that there's a lot of outside noise coming in, it might mean that it's time to replace your windows. This means that you've either gotten a broken seal or they may not have been installed correctly in the first place. Double glazing is effective at soundproofing, so if you're looking for replacement windows, then this could be a great solution for you. How much do replacement windows cost? The costs really depend on the type of window you want to install and if you go for double or triple glazing. As double glazing is the most common option, we'll only consider this for now. uPVC is the most affordable frame type in the UK, and you can expect prices to start from £300 per window. Aluminium windows are about 25% more expensive, while wooden windows can be up to 50% more costly. If installed properly, windows should last you a minimum of 20 years, so take your time to find the right installer so that you don't need to worry about replacement windows again in the near future. For more detailed information about what types of windows are best for your home, check out our articles on greenmatch.co.uk. We've placed the relevant links in the description below. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.